Okay, so we will try to review Polaris from the start. Okay. So in this diagram here, latitude by Polaris, full star. In this diagram, this is drawn on the plane of the regional horizon. So this is just a repetition of the PZX triangle, which is there is no more triangle because the body is on your meridian. Kasi mong tungod, ang body na diya kay north man ang iyang declination. So Polaris is a star close to the North Pole. It circles around the pole at a distance or radius of 1 degree. So ang iyang radius rotate sa Earth is only 1 degree. That is why the last topics or the last exercises that we have, we are going to deduct 1 degree from the latitude. That is constant. Because again, again, Polaris is
a star close to the North Pole. It circles around the pole at a distance or radius of 1 degree in the figure below.
Okay, stop there. So, rotate sa Earth, Polaris is on the North Pole, pero there is a difference of 1 degree. Wala siya insakto gyud nga true north. Sometimes, nasya sa 359 azimuth. The last plotting that we had, pila azimuth? Okay. So 359.5 nya naka-plot sa tag 04.5. No, depending sa rotation sa Earth kung ano siya nakita. So always deduct 1 degree because the distance of Polaris radius when the Earth